Hey, welcome to the Lead Genius AI demo. Today, I'm going to show you how to access our B2B contact database. So when you log in, you'll have a dashboard, and that dashboard will be blank, most likely, unless you've already installed our identity pixel to identify your website visitors. So we have several different pixels, some for B2B, some for consumer, but that's what it will look like. I cover that in a separate video. But today, what I'm going to cover is how to access the B2B contact database, where you'll now have access to over 900 million contacts throughout the world. You'll be able to have each one of them at your fingertip. So you can access key contacts, VPs, CEOs, directors, account executives, whoever it is that you're trying to reach. You'll have direct contact data for them, whether that's their personal email, professional email, cell phone numbers, business phone numbers, and other key information on them, skill sets, a lot of other things, which you're going to see here shortly. So you go over here to who to contact. You can search companies, contacts, save contacts. So when you save list, and then you can enrich your data. So start off, search your companies. You can decide the type of company. So the firmographics. So name, website, industry. So you would do name if you want to look up a specific company, because you want to see the contacts within that company. Next, you do the same thing with website. Now, industry, there's many of them to choose from. So you decide your target market, and then choose that. If you want to refine that industry, that's where you go to SIC code or NAICS code. You decide employee size, so whatever your ICP is, the size of the company. This is where you would go. And then revenue. So it's a 0 to 1, 50 to 100, and so on. After you've picked it, you then press search, and all the contacts, the businesses will pop up here. Next, we'll go to search contacts. This is what I personally like to use, and a lot of others do, versus just looking at the companies. So we'll start. Again, you'll have access to over 900 million different contacts. So you'll see two things: quick search and advanced search. So difference between the two. We'll say you want to use quick search, and you're using our website visitor identification identity pixel. We'll say someone visited your website from ABC Company, and you saw that ABC Company, it was an account executive from that company. But you're like, I want to know who the VP of sales is. So you put the name of the company in there, ABC Company. You don't know their contact information because the account executive visited your website, but then you can also put the company web address and the job title. Next, you press search, and then whoever from ABC Company would show up here. Next, we'll do advanced search. So advanced search is where you really want to refine it. So you'll pick from job title, level, function, job start date, or recent job change. So these are really cool features right here. So where these really can be useful is if, say, you're selling a CRM solution, and you want to target somebody, you want to sell your solution to ABC Company. If you were to reach out to somebody who recently, a VP of sales, for example, that just started a job within the 3 months, they're trying to make maybe a couple changes in that industry or that business, and they might be more receptive to trying your solution because they're not married to what they currently have. So this would be a good time for you to reach out to them. And the same concept with recent job change. So next, we go down. You can pick company criteria. So name, email address, industry. If you want to get really refined again, within that industry, SIC code, NAICS code, how many employees they have, revenue generated, location, pick country, city, state, etc. Personal criteria, this is what's really unique. So you can pick what skills they have, put those in there. Contact former employer, personal email address if you want their personal email address, or if you just want their direct cell phone number, you can access this right here. You got the alma mater, age, gender, whatever you're looking for here. So this part's really unique, where you can get very tailored with it. Next, if you want to suppress some information, right? So you want to have company web address, titles, email. Next, if this is where, and I didn't mention this at the beginning, this is really important. So we have a guarantee. That guarantee is that our emails are going to go through, they're going to be accurate, or you do not pay for it. So now, in order to use that feature, you would make sure that the email confidence score is to 100. Now, if it's at 50, it doesn't mean that it's not going to work. 9 times out of 10, it's still going to work. But when it's up at 100, that means we have recently verified that account and we know it's active and being used at this time. Now, next, if you want to get make sure they have a professional email versus just a personal email, you make sure you check this box right here, professional email. And then you would search, and then everybody that has a professional email with the criteria that you picked would show up. Next, so this is what it shows up as. So you're going to see you have their name, their LinkedIn, their title, location, the company name, and a phone number or email. If you go down, this is going to be a business email or phone number, but this will be a cell phone number, so you can see if they have a mobile phone number or not. Again, you can go over here and you can pick that they have a cell phone number and then search. Now, everybody on this list is going to have a cell phone number now. So you go down, you'll see everybody is going to have a cell phone number. Now, if you want to access this contact, you would have to click name right here and deduct a credit. So press yes. Now we give you the information on them. Now, for all contacts, no matter what, this is where you don't have to pay for it. You still have access to the over 900 million different contacts. If you just want to go and check out their LinkedIn on all of them, you can do that, and that is free. So you're able to access your ideal contacts, your ideal prospects, and just check out their LinkedIn if you want to. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you want to get a quick demo on this, there's some things we did not go over, like if you want to save specific contacts, if you want me to show you how to do that and create lists and segment them, I'm happy to do so. This could be a game changer for you. Now you have access to the 900 million different contacts. So, realistically, you can start making more sales today. Again, I hope this helped, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.